If you want to get rid of the date that we have over here on the home screen on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then unfortunately with the default launcher, it is not possible to do so. To actually remove the date, this widget over here, you need to download a third-party launcher. So another launcher that we will replace on this phone and we will use instead of the standard Pixel launcher. So I'm just gonna demonstrate how it looks like, how it works. So we're gonna go to the Play Store and we can search for launcher. Of course, you will be able to find multiple different launchers over here. I think the closest one to the standard Pixel launcher is the Microsoft launcher, and we're gonna install it. Of course, we have a bunch of customization options in there, so you can try to personalize it and make it look slightly better if you don't like the standard view. Also, if you want to, you can choose a different launcher, of course. It's up to you which one you will use after all. So let's press get started. We don't have to allow access to location. We don't have to allow access to notifications, and we can grant access to photos and videos. I'm just gonna actually allow everything. We don't have to sign in. We can just press skip. Over here we have help us improve Microsoft Launcher. I can just press not now. And there we go. And after that, we will either just go to the home screen or we will have to pick our favorite apps. Well, you can, of course, you don't have to. So you can choose apps that will be immediately added to the home screen. Of course, you can still add them later on. So I'm just going to press continue to skip that and let's press let's go. If you see this message, then we can press set as default in order to make sure that we are actually using this launcher, this Microsoft launcher by default, and we want to go back accidentally to the Pixel launcher. Alright, so this is how the launcher looks like. Of course, we have time and date once again, but of course, feel free to remove it quite easily. If you don't need it, if you don't want it, then of course we can remove it. Same with the search bar over here. You can just get rid of it. You can keep adding apps if you want to. You can personalize the launcher. We have launcher settings over here. You can go to the home screen in order to, for example, change the icon layout and size, and so on and so forth. So we have a bunch of different options that we can go through. We even have the appearance option in here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how we can get rid of the date. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.